Besides changing the name of fields and how they're formatted in my pivot table, I can also change the function. For example, in my field list where I have total actual, I'm going to click total actual and choose its value field settings again. This time I'm going to change the function to average. This has the effect of changing the name. I want to then customize the name by calling this actual and click OK. The values reflected in my pivot table are now the average of the actual values by last name and by department. I might want to show the average total target as well, so I'll click on total target, change the value field settings, change the function to average, recognize that the name has changed, and then change the name to target and OK. So you can change the functions that are used by the pivot table, from sum to average to max to min and count. The functions available when you click on a value are shown in the value field settings, and there are a number of functions you can apply. And I'll click cancel.